Morning and welcome to Thursday's maths lesson. So today we are going to be subtracting by counting backwards, and we're going to be introducing the children to a number line today. For today's lesson, the children are going to need to be able to use a number line. And there are lots of different ways that we can make a number line. So I've put a picture of one below here on the screen, but can you make one just from 1 to 10 at home? You could draw it. If you have some chalk, you could go outside and draw it on the path. You could use a broom handle. You could put some post-it notes on it. Can you find a fun way to make a number line? You might use some string. You could make a number line on your mum's washing line by sticking post-it notes or paper to it to put the numbers on. Find a really creative way to create a number line for me. So to use my number line here, you can see I've got one on the screen. It starts from 0 and it ends at 10. We're going to use this number line to do some subtractions by counting back. So my number sentence here at the bottom says 5 minus 4. So what you need to do first on your number line is find the total that you have, which is 5 in this case. So find it. You could circle it and put your finger on it. Don't move it because you might lose it. Then I need to subtract 4, so that means I need to jump backwards 4 jumps. If I jumped forwards, that means I'd be adding on, and I don't want to do that. I'm taking away. I'm making the number smaller, aren't I? So I would jump one at a time, one jump at a time, and count up to 4 jumps. And what number do you land on? Have a go at this question here. So 6 minus 4 equals... Can you find out how many are left? Why did you start at a different number this time? And why is the number of jumps, how has that stayed the same? This time, to just make it a little bit trickier, can you use this number line and look at the jumps backwards to complete the subtraction number sentence to match what has happened here? You can draw a number line at home or use your number line that you've created to show the subtraction here. For this question here, you're going to need to use the number line to find the missing number. So this is going to be quite tricky. You know what number that you finally jump on because our answer is 4, and you know that 5 jumps have been taken away. So maybe you could do the opposite. Do you think you could add the 5 jumps on to find out what number you started on?